In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all conversation in GoDaddy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go to see every message tied to your site or domain, all in one place. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. Type GoDaddy into the search bar. When the results load, look for the official GoDaddy website. It should be the top result, and the address will include the GoDaddy domain. Opening the correct site helps you avoid lookalikes and ensures a secure sign-in. If you plan to do this often, consider bookmarking the official homepage for faster access next time. Once you're on the GoDaddy site, sign in to your account. After you're logged in, go to the top right corner of the page and select your username. That opens your account menu, which is the quickest way to reach all of your management tools. From that menu, choose My Products. This is your central dashboard where everything you own with GoDaddy is organized. Give the page a moment to load if you have multiple domains or services. It's normal to see several sections here. Next, locate the domain you want to work on. If you manage more than one, take a second to confirm you're selecting the correct one that's connected to the messages you want to view. If your list is long, you might need to scroll or expand a section to find it. When you've found the right domain, select Manage. This opens the management area for that specific domain. The layout can vary slightly depending on the products attached to your domain, but you'll see links and settings related to its website, email, and other tools. Look for Conversations and select it. GoDaddy Conversations is the unified messaging hub that pulls together inquiries from your site's contact forms, website chat, and other supported channels. Opening it takes you into the workspace where your communications are organized. Inside Conversations, choose Inbox. This is where all of your conversations are collected. You'll see a list with timestamps and senders, and messages marked as unread will typically stand out so you can spot what needs attention first. The Inbox view helps you get a complete picture at a glance, keeping everything centralized rather than spread across different tools. That's the full path. Search for GoDaddy, open the official site, sign in, use your username menu to reach My Products, pick the domain, select Manage, open Conversations, and view your inbox. If your screen looks slightly different, don't worry. GoDaddy's interface can update over time, but these labels remain consistent. You're all set to review your messages in one streamlined place.